Welcome back to Auto Plus Reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and talked about supercars of the year, the 2025 Lamborghini. This is a machine that's not just built for speed, but designed to thrill on every level, from its razor-sharp exterior to its heart-pounding performance. So buckle up as we take a detailed look at what the 2025 Lamborghini brings to the table. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Lamborghini is a stunning visual statement. Even at a standstill, it looks like it's moving at 100 miles an hour. Lamborghini has stayed true to its aggressive design language, but with sharper lines, resculpted aerodynamics, and even more road presence than ever. The front fascia is lower and wider, with large air intakes and a sculpted hood that channels airflow seamlessly. Sleek LED headlamps with Y-shaped DRLs give it a futuristic yet unmistakably Lamborghini look. From the side, the car's low, wide stance and sharp creases enhance its performance-focused design. The scissor doors return, of course. What's a Lambo without them? Carbon fiber is used extensively throughout the body, not only to keep the weight down but also to make a bold statement. Around the back, a new active spoiler adjusts automatically based on speed and driving mode, while a massive diffuser and quad exhaust setup scream performance. Wheel choices range from 20 to 22 inches, and they're wrapped in ultra-sticky Pirelli P0 tires. The entire design isn't just for looks, it's engineered for maximum downforce and high-speed stability. Every curve, fin, and vent has a purpose. It's a car that looks like it was born on the racetrack but styled for the runway. Under the hood, well, in the middle of the car, actually, is where the real magic happens. The 2025 Lamborghini offers two powertrain options, depending on the model. The flagship V12 remains naturally aspirated but is now paired with a hybrid system, delivering a combined output of over 850 horsepower. The acceleration is nothing short of brutal. 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in just under 2.5 seconds, and the top speed pushes beyond 220 miles per hour. For those opting for the slightly more tame V10 model, there's still over 650 horsepower on tap, with lightning-quick dual-clutch transmission and all-wheel drive keeping things under control. The steering is razor-sharp, the brakes are track-ready carbon ceramics, and the suspension adapts in real time to keep you glued to the pavement. Driving modes range from Strata for daily comfort to Corsa for full-on track performance, and there's even an Ego mode, letting you customize every aspect of the drive. Lamborghini's engineers have also improved daily drivability, with better ride quality, a quieter cabin when needed, and more efficient hybrid operation in urban settings. Step inside, and the drama continues. The 2025 Lamborghini's interior is a high-tech blend of luxury and performance. The cabin wraps around the driver like a cockpit, with premium Alcantara, fine leather, and exposed carbon fiber throughout. The center console is high and angled, loaded with tactile switches that give you the feeling of being in a fighter jet. Even the start/stop button still hides under a red flip cover, because starting this beast should always feel like launching a missile. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, showing everything from lap times and G-forces to navigation and performance data. The updated infotainment system is surprisingly intuitive, with crisp graphics and support for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and integrated telemetry for track days. Even the audio system, tuned by Bang & Olufsen, delivers concert-like clarity, though let's be honest, most drivers will want to listen to that roaring engine instead. Seating is snug but supportive, perfect for spirited driving, and Lamborghini now offers more now. Let's talk pricing. The 2025 Lamborghini doesn't come cheap. No surprise there. The base price for the V10 model starts around $250,000, while the V12 hybrid flagship pushes well past the $500,000 mark, especially once you dive into the endless customization options. Limited edition models and special variants can easily climb into seven-figure territory. But if you're buying a Lamborghini, you're not just buying a car, you're buying a rolling piece of art, an engineering masterpiece, and a status symbol. That's our deep dive into the 2025 Lamborghini, a car that delivers on every front: looks, performance, luxury, and innovation. Whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or just someone who dreams big, this Lambo will absolutely leave a mark. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. This is Auto Plus Reviews, and we'll catch you in the next one.